Hey everybody, Jason Venata here at Venata Fabrication. Well, today I'm making the how-to install video for the Trique Manufacturing door latches for the 67 to 72 C10s. My last couple months, my doors started, I think they just got out of adjustment, and neither one of them wants to latch anymore, so I figure I'll go ahead and install these latches. So I'm going to show you how I do it. These are designed to be bolted in. So we take this entire plate, bolt it in. After it gets cut out, there's a template you cut out for it, but that's not how I do it. I'm going to cut this plate down. You can see where I've drawn this line on here with a Sharpie. I'm going to cut around that, get rid of the outside of this. I'll still be able to center it up right in there. I've drawn in here with a Sharpie where I want to cut the door out. I'm going to keep this plate to a minimum. It's less cutting, it's less welding, it's less heat, and just makes the overall job easier. All right, well, the Trique Manufacturing door latch is all welded in. Now, since I cut the door jamb out, and then sunk this into it, it actually moves the bear claw latch forward a little bit. So what would happen is the bear claw latch, instead of landing here, would actually hit this head. So I put this washer back here. It's about 3/32 thick to bring this forward, and that fixed that problem. You could also take your original shims, put them here and here to move that forward. Something else I did was the rod. You can see right there I made a notch with my die grinder, and they also require that you rebend the rod on the end to change the length a little bit. What I did was I just cut the rod right here, spaced it, welded it back together to get exactly where I needed it. So the door works like new. Also, my truck has Brothers one-piece windows with the new Relic Power window kit. All that still works just fine. There's no, here we go. There's no interference anywhere. Well, pretty happy with it. Ready to do the other door. All right, on the passenger door, I decided to cut the plate down a little bit larger. That way I wouldn't have the hole still here from the hole that was where the original latch was. Also, you have the two holes down here for the latch. By cutting this down here instead of up here, that completely took care of all that. And you can see it's just simple, clean lines. So this will be fairly easy to weld in. Well, I'm all done with the passenger door. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Well, that's great. I couldn't even latch that door before. Like I said, I think just after a while of driving, probably the striker plates maybe got out of adjustment. But anyway, we won't have to worry about that anymore, and they're gonna shut better than they ever have. So anyway, these are the Trique Manufacturing door latches, and these are available on my website, venatafabrication.com. And if you want to take and do the same thing to your tailgate, we have those too. These are the Tray 5 latches. Once again, bear claw style, and our trucks have been like this since about, what, 1988. All doors and tailgates, trunks, everything have all had bear claw latches, so all we're doing is upgrading to the better stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.